So some of the things like anemia and fractures, kidney problems, really common. So might it be possible that a lot of African Americans who had multiple myeloma and were not diagnosed and they died or passed away of other?
You're going to see lots of iron deficiency anemia. That has nothing to do with myeloma. That's another cause of anemia. But if you have anemia and a high protein level in your blood, now we're talking. There's not that many diseases that give you both of those. Then you really have to ask the doctor, why have I got those two things together? Now the fractures happen again later. You want to catch the disease when you have the elevated protein level and the anemia together before you get the bone problems, before you have kidney troubles, before you have frequent infections. All of those things happen as the disease goes on. So be proactive about this. Ask your doctor. And be sure you don't leave your doctor's office until you've had your questions answered. I cannot tell you how many times I see patients who say, yeah, I went to my doctor and he took some lab tests and he said everything sort of looked okay, and then he went back and then I looked through the records and there was anemia and high protein levels, and this has been going on for months or even years before they get to our doorstep. So know what your studies are and know when to be proactive for your own health.
Are unaware, and then if that's the case, then what do we do moving forward?
Right. Can everybody hear me? So you can keep that, so you can go around and get some.
Yeah, okay.
So bottom line is that, yes, there are doctors who certainly know more and less. That's true with every single disease that you're going to present to a doctor.
Yeah.
Don't expect your primary care doctor to necessarily know every esoteric problem.
That's right.
That's again why you have to be somewhat more proactive. You, as African Americans, know that myeloma is more of a problem in your community. If your family member is having bony pain or you know they have anemia, ask them, what's your doctor's answer if you don't? And if that doctor doesn't give you the answer, go to a different doctor. There's lots of doctors in the city. That's about this. Ask your family. This is a great time to talk to the family. You'd be amazed how much your parents know about stuff like this. They've been around a long time. It's tough sometimes, I know, to reach out, especially when you scare your mom. So, bottom line is, get the information.
One more question.